Hello, 9. Here we are looking at Chapter 9, first part of the data chapter. And so first we're going to deal with what these words mean. So I've got some definitions here and how to get them. So the mean first is the statistical word that means average. So you add up the scores, in other words the sum, and divide by the number of scores. I'm going to do that, apply that to this example down here in a sec. The median is the middle score, so that means there's an equal number of scores above it as below it. This one we have to write out the scores in order. First, the mode is the most common score or the score of the highest frequency. And then we have the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest score. Okay, so example 1. We've got maximum daily temperatures in Sydney for a fortnight in March. So they sort of tend to be warmish. And so what we're going to do first, we're asked to get the mean, which is the average. So what we're going to do is add up all the scores. And let's do that quick. Let's find a calculator. Let's go back. Here we are. Calculator. Okay, so adding scores. Make sure that you don't miss any, especially when there's repeated ones. Okay, 31, 227s, 28, 28, and finally 27. The sum is 379. Just move that over here. So the total of adding all the scores is 379. And we have to divide it by how many scores there are. Since it's a fortnight, there's 14 scores. And so 27.1 is the mean. Okay, part B is the median, where we have to put the scores in order. I'm going to go with lowest to highest. Hopefully don't miss too many. So lowest looks like 22. We got 23. We got 224s. We have a 26, 2 26s. We have 2 327s. 2 28s. We have a 31, 32, 34. Okay, now it's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. 14 scores. Now, I set up here the equal number of scores above and below. So if we divide this into 2 bits, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. So we've got 7 in the first half, and 7 in the second half. Now I said the median is the middle score. Well, that's actually shared by these two. So sometimes they can be different to each other, but basically what you do when there's an even number of scores is get the mean, which in this case is pretty easy because it's the same score. So 27 is the median. What if I find here? 27.1 was the mean. 27 is the median. Okay, mode is the most common score, and that I think that was 27 was the most common score. And the range, difference between part D, higher score minus lower score, is 12. 12 is the range. There we go. So the one we think we probably need to go over a bit more is the mode. Just remember, if they're divided into two groups, if it is an even number, then we have to average the middle two. And the rest is pretty straightforward. Thank you.